Ready to treat yourself, but your American Express gift card is throwing a wrench in the plans? Don't worry, we're here to get it working. First things first, activate your card. Head to the website printed on the back of the card or in the card packaging. Usually American Express.com gift card makes sure to enter all the required information accurately, like the card number, security code, and your personal details. Many cards require activation before they can be used. Still not working? Give American Express customer service a call. The number should also be on the back of the card. They can verify the card is active and troubleshoot any activation issues. Experiencing a denial due to insufficient funds? Double-check the card balance. You can usually do this on the American Express gift card website or by calling customer service. Remember to factor in any shipping costs or taxes when making your purchase. Online purchase errors are a common headache. Make sure you are entering the card information exactly as it appears on the card. When prompted for a billing address, try using your own address or selecting the option that the billing address is the same as the shipping address. And that's it with these tips. You should be well on your way to successfully using your American Express gift card. Enjoy your purchase.